Welcome to our journey towards transforming Nigeria's food systems. Let's get started. Agriculture, food, and nutritional system transformation are interconnected, and let's start with each of us taking up responsibilities to work together and carry everyone along. The 2023 report on implementing the food system transformation pathways in Nigeria indicates great milestone rates and gaps to be covered since the UN Food System Summit 2021 event. The gaps are resource constraint, coordination gaps, and policy implementation hurdles. The National Food System Transformation Pathway serves as a strategic roadmap to address these challenges, enhance food security, and drive inclusive economic growth for a resilient food system in Nigeria. Over 88 million Nigerians experience moderate to severe food insecurity, with malnutrition affecting both rural and urban populations, particularly children and women. Climate change remains a major disruptor. Recent floods have destroyed 569,000 hectares of farmland, exacerbating food insecurity. Climate change is intensifying food production challenges with rising temperatures and erratic rainfall patterns, reducing crop yields by 10 to 25% in key agricultural regions. 40% of Nigeria's total agricultural output is lost post-harvest, weakening food availability and reducing farmers' incomes and contributing to economic inefficiency. Nigeria ranks 103 out of 121 countries on the Global Hunger Index, reflecting persistent challenges of hunger and undernutrition and food affordability. Women make up to 50% of Nigeria's agricultural workforce, yet they face limited access to land, credit, and decision-making processes. Only 15% of women have access to land ownership, and they receive less than 10% of available agricultural credits. Food inflation reached 35.4% in early 2024, significantly reducing household purchasing power and deepening food insecurity, especially among low-income families. Nigeria has one of the highest rates of food waste in Africa, with urban centers discarding nearly 30% of purchased food, exacerbating food insecurity and environmental concerns. From the Agricultural Transformation Agenda of 2011 to the Agricultural Promotion Policy of 2016 to 2020, Nigeria has made significant strides. Now, with the National Food System Transformation Pathways, our focus is on inclusive growth, resilient food production, improved nutrition, climate adaptation, and economic diversification. A recent need assessment of key ministries, departments, and agencies identified crucial capacity building areas to drive food system transformation. Systems thinking for holistic policymaking, understanding food system disruption caused by climate change, conflict, and economic shocks, policy coherence to align agricultural health and trade policies, evidence-based decision-making using real-time data, multi-sectoral collaboration and governance for effective policy implementation, financing and resource mobilization to ensure sustainable food system interventions. Nigeria has success stories to build upon, and one of the key milestones is the Nigerian Subnational Food System Dashboard, developed through a collaboration between the Nigerian government, USAID, the Gates Foundation, and the Global Alliance for Improved Nutrition. The dashboard provides real-time policy action insights and ensures data-driven decision-making at all levels. While these efforts are commendable, challenges such as siloed operations among government agencies, fragmented approaches, and a narrow focus on productivity limit Nigeria's ability to integrate broader food system dynamics. Moving forward, what must we do? Strengthen institutional and interagency coordination for well-aligned and effective policies. Promote adaptive programming that responds to emerging challenges in the food system. Prioritize inclusive policies to empower women and youth in agriculture. Scale up data-driven food system governance, using digital tools to track real-time data on agricultural productivity, nutrition, outcomes, and environmental impacts. Boost domestic financing and resource mobilization to sustain long-term transformation efforts. Empowering women is central to food system transformation. Studies show that closing the gender gap in agriculture could boost Nigeria's GDP by over $10 billion annually as part of the global effort to achieve sustainable development. The AgSys initiative is focused on fostering national policy reforms, strengthening institutional capacity, and building partnerships to address interconnected challenges in food systems. The path to resilient, inclusive, and sustainable food system in Nigeria starts with you. Embrace system thinking, enhance multi-sectoral collaboration, leverage data and evidence-based insights, champion adaptive programming and strategic investments, prioritize gender-responsive policies, strengthen climate-smart interventions. Together, we can transform Nigeria's food system for a healthier, more prosperous future. The time for action is now. Let's build a food system that works for all. You can start by exploring the food system dashboard and join national dialogues to drive evidence-based reforms.